Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw ground fault errors with Siemens EV charger tools step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your Siemens EV charger tools are properly set up and connected. Start by checking the display screen for any ground fault error messages. Locate the reset button on the Siemens EV charger. Press and hold the reset button for approximately 5 seconds. Observe the display as it resets and clears any error messages. If the error persists, disconnect the power supply to the charger. Wait for at least 1 minute before reconnecting the power supply. Once reconnected, check the display again for any error codes. If the ground fault error still appears, inspect the charging cable for any visible damage. Ensure that both the charging station and the vehicle's port are clean and free of debris. If necessary, clean any dirt or debris using a soft cloth. Next, verify the grounding of the charging unit. Use a multimeter to test the ground connection. If the ground connection is inadequate, address any wiring issues. After confirming all connections are secure, attempt to initiate a charging session. Monitor the display for any new error messages during the charging session. If the ground fault error continues to occur, consult the user manual for troubleshooting tips specific to your model. Consider contacting Siemens customer support for further assistance if necessary. Document all error codes and actions taken for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.